Cause I was on YouTube.
Watch TY38. Detail World, what it do, man. We done made it to this first stop out here in North Nashville, man. We doing this Volkswagen ID4, which is an electric car. I'm telling you, these electric cars are definitely taking over. But you see the wheels. Wheels don't really look too much like anything, but the car is a pretty cool looking crossover. Kind of look like a Nissan Murano or something like that. But the interior, I do like the designs on the seat, even though they're cloth, but that's a cool looking design, kind of like something you see on the floor, something like that. But the interior of the car is pretty cool. Like I tell you, a lot of these cars come with this hard plastic. You gotta always make sure you wipe down. And if you see somebody was wiping down on here, it's still a little dirty. But you see the gear shift right here. This is how you move the car. Press right here to park it, but this is how you move it around. That's kind of interesting, I will admit. But other than that, it's your basic interior. We're just gonna get in here and vacuum it. She don't have any dogs or anything like that, so we're just gonna get in here and hit it with a quick poop pop a bam, and then they want me to wax the exterior of the car, things like that. But other than that, man, I'm gonna go ahead and get it cracking. I hope you had a beautiful weekend, man. This rain have been crazy, this weather have been crazy all across America, man. I hope anybody that's watching this video, hope your family's safe, you safe. Man, there's been a lot of tornadoes, things like that. You know what I mean? El Nino have the ocean warmed up. They got a few hurricanes already starting to pop up. But other than that, man, I hope you just having a joyous day, morning, evening, whenever you're watching this video, man. Like I said, we continue to growing on the channel. Like I said, we finally hit 500 subscribers. We're gonna keep continue to get people to subscribe to the channel. Like I said, it's all organic. We not forcing anybody to do nothing. We ain't doing no paid. We ain't doing none of that. So with all subscribers I get, it's gonna be people who genuinely messing with the channel. Even if they watch the videos, if not, I'm just happy they subscribing, man. And that's the best thing about it, man, that I'm out here putting the footwork in, putting the grind in. But I'm gonna go ahead and work on the interior of this vehicle real quick, because it's not really much. Then I'm gonna have the exterior and everything like that. But other than that, man, I hope you're having a great day. Stay blessed, and on that note, I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail World, what it do, man. We got this first car done the other day. Once again, this is Volkswagen ID4. It is an electric car. Like I told y'all, these electric cars are taking over, but we got the car looking good. Gave it a good wax. Watch how my hand slide. Look at that. Slide off there. So, you know what I mean? Got the interior looking good. Car looks wonderful. So we about to go ahead and let them know we done, so we can go ahead and get paid. You know what I mean? But you know, it's a wonderful day. I'm hoping y'all having a wonderful day. We definitely got 2 more appointments. We got 2 more appointments for the day. Excuse the camera doing that. It does that sometimes when it's adjusting to the lighting. But we got 2 more for the day. We about to go ahead. I already contacted the next customer. Told them I'm headed away. I'm probably about 20 minutes from her. May stop to get something to eat because I am hungry. You know what I mean? But the whole car came out well. He had a little bit of some rough spots up here, but you see we got it all off. You know what I mean? Even right here. You know what I mean? So we got the car back up to par. He's definitely going to be enthused with the work like always. We take so much pride over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. So I'm hoping you take pride in whatever you do, man. Like I always tell y'all, man, take pride in it, man. You have to. You gotta be happy for whatever you do, man. Because people out here don't have the opportunities to do the things that you may do. And even with money, things like that, man, the world has changed and everything changed. Look how they just tore all those, like 1 house and built 3 houses. So it was literally 2 houses on this property. Look how many houses they got up. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish this car, man. Finish doing the windows, things like that. Let them know I'm done so I can get paid. Head to my next stop. And like always, do what you gotta do, and I'm gonna do what I gotta do. And I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail World, what it do, man. We done made it to this second appointment, man. It took me a little bit of time. I had a flat tire. I didn't show y'all that because I was in the process trying to hurry up, because that already held me back literally 30 to 40 minutes, but it was actually that tire right there was flat. I had to go to Walmart to get the tire fixing kit, but we got it completely done. We're gonna go ahead and work on this Chevy Tahoe. I'm about to work on the interior of the car first. I didn't get the pressure washing stuff out, but we're gonna go ahead and get in this interior. If you see, you got your typical debris, your sticks, your twigs, you know, a little popcorn there, a little popple, you know, a little dirt all back here. So we're gonna get back here, get in here, wipe down these seats thoroughly, clean this carpet, clean the whole inside, you know, the driver, you know, all this utensils, console area, things like that. And then we're gonna work on the exterior. It looked like it's gonna rain, a little cloudy because it was raining the last few days. But we're gonna go ahead and get this job done, man. Got 1 more car to do after this. Hopefully I can pick up another one. I'm trying to see if she want to get it done, but if not, I get it on for tomorrow or Friday. But like always, man, we take so much pride over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. I hope you take pride in whatever you're doing. And on that note, like always, I'm gonna do what I gotta do, so do what you gotta do. And like always, man, peace. Detail World, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We done finished this third car today, which is this BMW GLK. Is this right? Is this a GLK? Because, you know, sometimes we getting these cars mixed up. This is a GLK. Yep, this is GLS 450. We got the car completely done. I'm so sorry I didn't show y'all any other car before, but I was too busy on the phone talking to some people, so I really couldn't get it in. But the car came out fine, man. If you look at the car looks great. Like always, we take so much pride in the work we do over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. So I'm hoping you take pride in whatever you do, man, because it's all about getting the job done and making sure people super satisfied with your services, no matter what are you doing. But like always, man, I'm gonna continue to be great. I hope you be great. Remember, determination builds characteristics. Stevie Wonder said it best. You don't need eyes to have a vision. And like always, man, one love, love thyself. You gotta have that self-love, man. Self-care, everything going into 2024. Cause we are already 6 months in. We only got 6 months left in this year and the year over with. So on that note, like always, man, do what you gotta do, and I'm gonna do what I gotta do, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace.
Cause I was on YouTube.
Watch the TY 38.